30 years. Let's get this in the right spot. Oh, now we lost some frame rates. Hopefully it stays up. 30 years. And 30 years. Okay, let's get back to it. 30 years for my dream build to arrive. I'm assuming he's talking about this red PC thing. I have a dream build. Right now I have an all-in-one monitor computer. One of these days I would love to build a computer that could handle everything that I want to do. Music, streaming, recording, editing, all that. I want a computer that can do all that, but I also want it in like an old school style case, because I like the retro stuff. I got the CRT in the back. I got all the old school games. I kind of want to do some retro themed stuff in here. I do like the new age stuff. I'll be playing Grand Theft Auto 5. Get that back on. It turned off on me. It timed out. Gonna play one more game after I get off here, but I will look forward to playing Grand Theft Auto 6. But anyways, yeah, I have a whole PC build that I'd love to do, and I look forward to my own cake for being too long. Anyways, yeah, I have a dream build that it's gonna cost a little money, but that's why they call it a dream build. Hopefully I don't take 30 years to get mine, because, oof, man. Anyways, let's get to this video. Oh, can't hear it. Hold on. Is this on? It was not on. All right, let's back this up. All right. I can't hear anything. Still can't hear nothing. What are we doing here? Is there audio on the video? Okay, yeah, there's audio. I can barely hear it. It's like some breathing in the background. What is this, Stormtroopers? I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I like the guitar setups. His favorite color must be red. I seen the red chair in the background too. Yeah.
I waited 30 years for this.
Yeah.
Actually, 30 years ago,
don't do like that guy I seen the other day where he used the built-in HDMI instead of the GPU that he installed, and that would be bad to have all that power and not even use it.
I designed a case like this, and this is how I would have designed it. Because what I did not like was we had the parallel ATA cables that plugged into the motherboard, and they had a master and slave port, and you would see the cables in the drive bracket had to be mounted there. They had the CD-ROM drive and the floppy.
And a floppy. Wow. Haven't heard about floppy drives being installed in a while. Takes me back to my teenage years.
1/2 inch and the 5 1/4 in the case, and the cables were there. But I always wanted the drive to be on the motherboard, and now we finally have NVMe drives. They're
drive on the motherboard, huh? So is he saying, because I know a little bit about building computers. My uncle used to build them. I used to build them with him a little bit. Like, I'd help him. I'm more like handle parts. I didn't actually do it. But is he saying like directly install the drive straight to the motherboard without no cables? Y'all let me know in the comments.
really fast. They're high capacity, so you don't have any drives and cables going across the case.
Y'all don't have to let me know in the comments, because He just told me.
and you don't have any CD-ROM cables going in across the case, and all the power is there. But yes, this was my design that I had wanted 30 years ago. It took 30 years.
Man, buddy, I appreciate your enthusiasm and your effort, but you sound a bit like me. Out of weight, out of shape, out of shape, and out of breath is what I was trying to say. A little overweight. I'm trying to lose some weight, but yeah, you sound a little out of breath there, man.
To get to this point. So this would be my dream.
You need a dream build for your speaker system over there, your audio system, because looks nice, but the placement is needs some help, man.
Dream case. I started a computer company and I called it Artcom. Artcom was artistic computers, and what it was I had like a marble finish on a case, and this was before they had the color IMAX. So now someone has come really close and put a professional finish and a high-end finish with a desirable color on the case. And
so what you saying is you like them shiny. That's cool. That's cool.
That's height. The height 50.
Yeah, you like them shiny. And you like red, I can tell that. You know, it ought to be breathable. Look at all these mesh airway, whatever. I can't even speak right. The mesh grill, great. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it's got plenty of airflow. I like it. I don't like the color. I mean, I like red, but I don't like it. That's red. Looks nice. I mean, I don't. He's talking about CD drives and stuff. Well, how do you put your CDs and floppy disk in there? You gotta open up the case to put them in there, or what? You gonna show us how that works? No? That's alright. That's cool. I have a dream build. Mine's gonna look like the I want to use the Silverstone retro case looking. Either that, or I want to actually take like an old school case and then do what the guys that came up with Silverstone did, and just put like brand new stuff in an old case. Of course, the case is gonna be clean, like painted, not all scratched up, not all dented up. I want it to look nice, but I think it'd be pretty cool to do like a old school case, and you open it up and it looks like bam,